Thought I'd show you a little bit of our unboxing here and what our new system is going to look like. Here we are. All right, so to start off, I can tell this screen is a lot bigger than what we are used to. Just to kind of compare with you, this is what we were working with before. And this is quite nice, flatter. Our old one was a 720. New one is now a 1080. So that'll be nice and clear and more vision as well. Rest of the box here, this is the actual camera itself. It looks pretty similar, maybe a touch bigger. Looks like there's possibly some LEDs in there. It is noting that this camera has a bit more night vision to it, and I'm sure probably camera upgrade as well. It does have a nice cover here to help protect. There we go. Also in here, some mounting brackets, dash mount, camera itself. Other side, you've got some little zip ties, which we won't necessarily need. We've already got ours hardwired in. Antennas to help send signal, and charging station for the monitor inside the vehicle. Also some mounting brackets if you want to mount the camera. And also some additional connections if need be. Wanted to share a few details of this camera setup. This is the Haloview version. It's the BT7. It's what we're using. It is a 7-inch 1080p and a 2.4G. This is a wireless system. Reaches up to 984 feet. That is really far. So we definitely should be able to reach from the back of our trailer to the cab of the truck. This also has a ultra bright panel. That'll be super nice for vision. Also has full color night vision. That'll be very nice when we are pulling into our campsites at a late hour and Jesse can still see where he's backing into. A few other details there for you. Not sure if you can read that fine print. We will definitely leave you a link below. You can check out all the specs, get more information on this Haloview system.
Kara is just getting the new camera all unboxed. It looks really cool. Camera is way upgraded. It even has lights built into it to help at night vision. So cool. Now I'm hoping that this will mount up there the same way. My luck is it won't, and I'm gonna have to fabricate something. Then of course you got all your antennas, all that stuff, but